this is the walkway meant for this road. See the extent of damage caused. Look at it.
This is something everybody will condemn. All over the world, everybody will condemn this act. Imagine the Rivers State government has spent a lot of millions upon millions of money on doing roads. But a single company called BUA company with their truck, their trailers, in fact with their diesel, pouring on it, destroying and damaging the road. You can see the extent of the damage of this road caused by this company. Even at the front of their building or their estate or their office, you can see how deep it is. So compare the raining day, it means that vehicle cannot pass here, and this caused a lot of hold up on the road.
Sir, you have also seen that there are other places where they park their vehicles. Are those places approved parks for them?
It is not. Those places you are seeing, it is not approved. They behave or they operate as if they are the owner of Rivers State. They see the government of Rivers State as government that cannot query them. And that is why we are here, that there is government in this state.
Okay, so sir, have there been a formal approach to address this between the Rivers State government and BUA company?
Yes, I can remember February this year, the SIG, Minister of Transport, Urban Development, we have invited these people for a meeting, and they promised us that they will take it away from, especially the front of the government house, and they will take it outskirt of the government house front to where they can be bringing in maybe two lorry, enter and load and go. But this damage, even at the front of government house, is eyesore. Nobody can see this and believe that this company meant well for this state.
Thank you very much.
Personally, I feel heartbroken. I feel provoked that a company that does not even add value to Rivers State in terms of corporate social responsibility would rather take from us infrastructure we've labored to put in place over the years. It's public knowledge that the Rivers State government spends billions of naira every year laboring very hard to provide critical infrastructure for our people. The BUA Group have been so reckless. The drivers of the BUA Group have been so irresponsible. They have converted our major roads to trailer parks. Right here, we are at Igrutali. We have a line of trailer park here of more than 2-3 kilometers. This major interstate road has now, this is the road that leads you to the airport. This road that takes you out to Imo State and other states. It's a major interstate road. It's a critical infrastructure for us. Now see what they have done. Look at, this is the front of their yard. Even the front of their yard is this dirty. Their parking is disorganized and very reckless. They don't have approvals to use even all of these areas as trailer parks. Here you can see trailers, lorries, carrying various kind of chemicals. You can see gas tanks. Now, if you cross over the road there, you also see their diesel yard where they collect diesels from. They collect gas from here. They use here as their central park. But rather than, they have massive land here, rather than park inside the designated park, they line all their lorries on the roads, on the shoulders of the roads, and then to begin to damage gradually. You can see now, the rainy season has not even started fully. See what's going on. By the end of this rainy season, see, they've gone at least about, the failure has reached, from the width, the failure has reached about 7.6 meters now. Meaning that the entire one lane, in a matter of days, will be closed. This place will become impassable. The same thing is happening on the other lane. The same thing is happening on the other lane. So that lane will be impassable. This lane will be impassable. Going out of Port Harcourt and coming into Port Harcourt will become difficult. This is what BUA is doing to Rivers State. This is unconscientiousness. This is recklessness of the highest degree. And we don't think we can continue to take this anymore. Look at what they have done to our road. That decision is for my governor to take.
Thank you very much.